Good afternoon, students, everyone. Monday, 29th of June, and homework. Language art today, page 27. We're reading text, as usual. First, keywords. We say keywords. Let's go. Horse. Horse. Frog. Frog. Turtle. Turtle. And rabbit. Rabbit. Right, it's easy part. And our text. The right hat. Sam wants a pet. He likes horses, but his mom says they are too big. A frog is little, she says. I don't like frogs, says Sam. Do you like turtles? She asks. They can't play, says Sam. She shows Sam a picture. I like rabbits, he says. Let's go, says his mom. Sam and rabbit. Sam's new rabbit. What can rabbits do? They can jump. That's our text for today, students. And question. Do you like turtles? Do you like turtles? Let's say 3 words for today. First, solution. Solution. 2, gave. Gave. And 3, given. Given. Great. Okay. Do it, record, and send to me. You're the best students. Bye.
I like to play all day. What do you say?